Hi and welcome to today's 3ML video where we are going to learn about a topic called specialist language. See, when we communicate, we have a lot of barriers to effective communication. We can divide them into groups, and one of such group of barriers is called as semantic barrier to communication. What is semantic? Something related to meaning. And one of the top semantic barrier to communication is specialist language. Let's understand this with some examples. Look at the first picture. Now the first guy is saying to the other one, we need RAM and HDD for the URL from my IP, but not sure if the HTML is HTTP or HTTPS, but the ISP has SSL impacts CPU. The other guy has no idea what he's talking about, right? So he's completely confused. Maybe he's not a guy from computer science background. So he was using a lot of terms or jargons which are specific to his field, which the other person is not able to understand. Another classic example is in front of the screen. There is a tweet of a very popular MP of our country. Now he says, exasperating farrago of distortions, misrepresentations, and outright lies being broadcast by an unprincipled showman masquerading as a journalist. Now, my point is, how many of normal people like you and me will understand what this man is trying to say? The answer is very, very few, right? His language is amazing. He is using really good words in English. I can with confidence say that, right? But the point is, are people who are following him, are everyone able to understand what he's saying? The answer is definitely no. Yes. So we need a dictionary in our hand to probably understand what he's trying to say. This is called as specialist language, guys. Now you might be specialized in one of your fields. Maybe I am a trainer and we have certain terms in our training field. All the trainers might understand this, but when I'm talking to a different set of audience, I should not use those terms which are not understandable by them, right? A very, very simple thing to understand for all communicators is communication is not about who is communicating, it's about to whom the communication is intended to. Always remember, as Nat Turner says, good communication is a bridge between confusion and clarity. So ensure that you are not using specialist language and making sure your communication is reaching to the other person with full clarity. I hope you had some good learning in this 3ML video. See you in the next video. Keep learning and keep growing.